welcome back to the Weighted Native Chronicles. As a result of my having injured my sciatic nerve and getting some flare-up and arthritis in my knee, I've been mobile for about 3 weeks. So guess what? I got fresh talent here. On my right there's Tristan, my grandson, and I sent him out with the camera when I couldn't go, out of the trapline with the Bombi, the Bombardier Bombi, and I'm starting to find out, to my chagrin, that he's a lot better presenter than I am. So I know this guy may have a job. So I invite you to take a look at this video that's coming up and tell me in the comments, should we keep this guy around or what?
Out here, discovering another cut line. Just want to show you, this is a good way to get your Bombi stuck. I already went ahead and cut this log down. I should have cut it before I went over. Basically, I'm high centered. This is a good way to high center your Bombi. Yep. Soon as my tracks plopped together like that, felt it hit the bottom, I'm like, okay, well, we're not driving off this. So now I'm going to take the winch, which I haven't even tried out yet. I know it works. We're just going to pull on something big, like that tree right there. Oh, that thing uprooted pretty cool. But yeah, that's me right now. I'm up here sweating. It's a good thing that I brought a chainsaw. Because I was thinking, it's such a hassle. I don't need it. We'll just stay on the road, whatever. Nah, I wanted to go exploring. It's a good thing I grabbed it. It's not the nice one, it's the old Poulon. It's the old girl. He's got the nice still with him in the truck. He up and left with it. I should have thought about taking it out, but oh well. Oh well. It's only good for cutting firewood anyway. But this did the trick. Now, you'll be watching this and thinking, oh man, it's not getting into trouble. Well, I was a little lazy here and I tried to just give her. So yeah, getting into a bit of trouble. Well, off we go. Back to it. Let's get this thing out of here. So, I'm still stuck here because I'm pulling out the winch and I'm running into a problem. You see here, this silly willy, this is supposed to slide in there to get to there so I can put a pin through it, and then this part of the hitch goes in to the Bombi. Slides in there nicely. I cleaned that part up nice, but I never tried putting this into here, and she gets stuck halfway. Like, it's hard getting it in there. It's hard getting it out. And I was packing some tools and like, oh well, sheesh. Why don't I bring this box along that I have? This has got an angle grinder and a vibrating tool and all sorts of stuff. Well, I brought my angle grinder, and I sure am glad that I did, because that's probably a good hour, maybe hour and a half walk back to camp. Sheesh. So there you have it. Now let's get the winching this thing out of here. Alright, so We got our winch hooked up. Set to the optimal angle. Grade 8 bolt. Don't think I'm snapping that today. We're gonna give her beans. Wanna see what she does? This winch hasn't been used in years. So, 3 spool. Here we go. Woo! Woo, doggy. Here's a good tree. Oh. Horrible. Okay. So. Nice and tight. Don't think we're going anywhere. Sorry fellas, I haven't had lessons in how to properly tie a winch cable. I am just a mere mechanic. And a prodigy. 22 years old. And I'm single, ladies. Okay, we're ready. It's a pretty new battery. So, if I know it's going, then yeah, you know, probably fine without it running. Well, I'm a silly goose. That ought to do something. Okay. So, all tightened up. Pretty hefty winch. Okay. Getting us places. It's probably not really designed for pulling sideways. Oh, come on. A little choke here. We're getting a Holley EFI. So this stuff doesn't happen. And no, the idle is set properly. Don't think that's gonna die on me. Not a lot of voltage drop in this winch. See how many pounds she's weighted for. 4,000 pounds. Single line. We should just pull it right off, right? Okay. Not a winch master. But I think I need to get in and help a little. Probably why this cord is so long. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Sitting on something. Good winch. stuff. I think I'm out. Stupid branches. My shoes are rubber. Won't wear them down too much. Yeah, maybe I should even out the flow. Oh, the boat anchor now. What a mess. Oh, that's that. The winch works just fine. And there's a lot of flies now. That's what happens when you sweat. Wrap that up. Oh boy, she's hot. It's hot. Let's put that in my pocket. I hate losing stuff. No. Whoosh. This one's stuck in. Hammer time. Also known as my foot. Good eyesight. Now we're just gonna take you to the back. Boy, she's heavy. Oh yeah. She's heavy. Boy, they should make a aluminum version. I bet you they do. A little rich for my blood. In the back here. I'll just run that in there so we're not losing anything. Yeah. Don't want to lose stuff. Drag stuff. Well, yeah, that's almost perfect. You can tell that hitch is homemade, 'cause it doesn't line up all that well. Homemade by my grandfather. Oh well. It's a real crappy hole. Well, that'll do it enough. Wow. That was a lot of work for such a little reward. Although, would have been sitting there for quite some time. Cutting logs. Pulling them out, jacking up the Bombi, and then cutting logs, and probably putting logs underneath the tracks. I'd say this was well worth the time and effort, and I'm really glad I had the angle grinder. If I didn't, it would have been a lot more work. Been doable, but would have been a lot more work. So that's what I got stuck on. And this Bombi, she's got some serious metal underneath. Like, you would have to really do something bad, like drop this on a log sticking out of the ground with the spike on it. No, I don't think it's that thick metal. You could probably break it. Don't ask me how though. These things are beautiful. Beautiful machines. Okay. Well, back on our way. Bushwhacking. Let's go get some moose.
Did you like this video? If you did, I think you're gonna like this one right over here. So check it out. And I appreciate your subscribing if you haven't done so already. Remember to do that while you're watching this next video. Click like, it all helps us out for this channel. Catch you next time.